Hi guys, today let me speak about this tool called Genspark. So Genspark is like an all-in-one agentic AI platform. And best part about Genspark is it's like a all-in-one tool. It can combine with almost all large language models of your choice right now. That's the best part about it. So when you come over here, you can see that Genspark has got multiple modes like a super agent, AI slide master, AI sheets, AI docs, which means that in super agent mode, I can speak to multiple large language models right now over here. When I put a question, I'll be able to speak to any LLM of my choice. That's super agent mode. Second, you see over here, AI slide master. In this case, it can start making a PowerPoint slide for me automatically. There are templates of PowerPoint slides over here as well. Similarly, with AI Sheets, which can actually handle your Excel sheets, and we got AI Docs, it can make a Word doc for you. AI Developer can make entire software design for you. So these are multiple agents that are there within GenSpark. And they got things like Designer, Photo Genius, Clip Genius, podcast, chats, images, videos, audios, music, deep research, almost everything you can imagine. Now, some features that they have, the other tools don't actually have much, are features like call for me. You can actually do a phone call for you. Fact check. You can even put a particular thing and you can fact check it with AI. And download for me. You can also ask to download a PDF, download a document for you. It'll use it to download things for you. So that's the overall gist of what actually Genspark does. Now, let's use Super Agent this time. Let's try to connect the Super Agent with our email inboxes. So what I'm going to do is to connect this, click on add over here. And you see, I've already installed my G Suite, which is it's already installed with my Gmail though. But let me show you from scratch how do we do it. So if I have to say connect this to my connect Genspark to my email, how do I do that? Click on install. A pop-up will open up. You simply have to click on your email address, continue, continue further. That's it. Now your inbox has got connected. Now suppose if I say, can you please read my last 5 emails? Now what's going to happen is Genspark is going to go to my email inbox, search my last 5 emails, and present back over here for me, right? So I don't have to go to my inbox and do things over here. Genspark does everything inside itself. That's the best part about Genspark. So what I've done is I've just built my first AI agent. So generative AI tools will just give answers from generative AI. Agents is where generative AI can connect back to your tools and softwares, and through that you'll be able to do anything that you want. Like in this case, I've asked it to go to my inbox and check for things. Let's say in the last 5 emails over here. See, I got my email list. I got who is it from, what time I received it, and what's it about. Not only that, I can even reply from here. So let's say, can you draft a suitable reply to the PVR I know email? So we're trying to train a company, and we got an email for that currently. So I'm just going to like use AI to kind of reply to that email, and then it's going to read that email particularly, and then draft a suitable reply. Best part, I guess, in the reply from here itself. So what you're witnessing right now, guys, is your first AI agent. You see, we have a suitable reply also over here. Pretty good. That should be decent, huh? I guess also just draft in my inbox. I can make the tool more formal. I can follow up task, whatever. Let's do one more task. Now, let's say, for example, that I want to use Genspark to research about something. Let's assume that I would like to understand what's happening to the gold prices and where the gold prices are tend to be more cheaper across the world. Okay. So somebody will say, okay, can you now read an entire report, read about gold prices trend, and tell me at the current times who are the leading players in the gold market in India? Now, I'm not doing anything. You're a super agent. In this case, this Genspark will call multiple tools right now. It might call a web tool. It might call a clarification tool. It might go call a search tool, and hopefully, it should be able to give you a C. It's using image, using parallel search, searching multiple heads together. This is the first tool. Using image search tool, it's trying to find an image and reading the image as well. Now, this is using video search tool. It's going and seeing a video and helping you understand some trends. This is what it's served. Now it's actually reading websites. So reading tool over here. If they've read multiple sites, hopefully, then they should be able to give me the answer that I'm looking for. Now, if I would have done this, it would have taken me ages. But with an agent coming in, they can do things very, very fast. And that is the biggest benefit, guys, of an AI agent. You see, it's able to now tell me what the prices are, what the recent movements, what's the medium term movement, what's the benchmark, how gold prices have risen sharply recently, who are the major players, Titan, Kalyan, Malabar Gold, and Senko. Also, it's telling me what the behind the supply chain looks like, how does exchange price discovery and market infrastructure impact all of these things, and much, much more. So, guys, use Genspark. You can also upload a PDF and do a research on it and then ask it to do something else. You can also combine your, suppose you got an email from somebody and that email requires you to go search the internet and get something done. You can do all of these things today with the help of AI, guys. Pretty cool? Also, go and try it out, guys.